Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-fix image in Microsoft Excel. So let's have a look now. Start by opening the Excel workbook where you want to insert images and auto-fit them within cells. Select the cell where you want to insert the image. Make sure the cell is empty or contains only the content you want to be associated with the image. Go to the Insert tab and choose Photo to insert an image. Navigate your image file and click Insert. Once the image is inserted, you can resize it by dragging the corners. To auto-fit the image to the cell, right-click on the image and choose Size and Properties. In the Format Picture panel, under the Size tab, select Look Aspect Ratio and set the height to 100%. Now click OK. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.